So here's the story. You want to practice some bass skills and you don't have an amp at all. Well, having money either on bass or amp, the choice is clear. Could there possibly be a device that can amplify your smooth lines that you already have in your room? Could you possibly use that Bluetooth speaker you got last Christmas? Let's find out. I know that some of you will say Beasless, but why? This will not sound good at all. Let me explain. If you don't have an amp, you can only hear the strings strumming with your ears, unamplified. And in that way, you can think you're playing correctly and clean. But in fact, you will repeat and learn to play with some errors that you simply couldn't hear. Therefore, you'll be deepening your bad habits instead of getting rid of them. Any kind of amplification will sure be better than playing with none. So, let's assume that you have one of these bad boys at home. This is a Bose SoundColor 2 Bluetooth speaker. It has an aux input, as I've learned, and let's see if we can pull this trick out. So let's find a way to connect these two. Let's move this thing out of the way for a second. We will be using this. So what is this thing actually? It's just a connector from a large guitar jack to a small headphone jack that will fit into the Bluetooth speaker. So how did I record this sound? Well, very easy. This is just a microphone that's plugged in straight to the camera so you get the best audio possible. And our speaker is plugged in straight to the bass guitar and set up as an auxiliary input. Oh yeah, I also had to crank up the volume quite a bit. But now, what's most important? Did the speaker survive, or can I just throw it to the bin? Let's try this out. Well, I have to unplug the cable first. It's already switched to the Bluetooth mode, and I connected my phone to the Bose via Bluetooth. Now let's play one of my songs from the SoundCloud. Okay. Well, sounds okay to me. Plays as it played before. Well, this one actually surprised me a bit. The bass sounded quite nice on it. I think even a bit better than the music. I'm sure that it will work with other Bluetooth speakers with an aux input. But well, as usual, try not to blow the speaker. So please, don't go too hard on it. Of course, if you have a chance, the better option is to pick up any, even a Modus bass amp from your local music shop. But hey, at least now we know that plugging your bass this way is also possible. That's it from me. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. See you next week. Cheers! What is this, you ask me? Well, just a connector from the large. That's just what it is. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's wrap it up. That's it for today.